Wondering about the best point and shoot camera under $300? This SX700 Powershot version from Canon has so many capabilities for individual photo shoots or scene movie recording. The 16.1 megapixel shots are more than enough for standard sharp quality. The vast ISO range could help with determining final quality outcomes. So this camera is great for product review work, for taking photos of things to sell on some third-party platform, and even for some video quality. In fact, I go with this for basic table product photography, and it works out very nice. It's quite decent for both YouTube video size and quality. Indeed, correct sizing can take care of any unnecessary black borders on the sides of final results. Honestly, if you're an online seller into product photography or product videography, this larger pocket camera is likely a better option than the compact Canon Powershot A2200, for example, or other small cams with less options. One reason is that I found that taking photos without unnecessary black borders is great for YouTube video still shot options. The widescreen works just fine. You may find it's best to begin by spending some money on a camera that offers larger dimensional results than having to buy a second device later on. Something even more, the extra long zoom is nice if needing to take outdoor photography sessions. So even if you don't think you'll need for that purpose, it's nice to have it if you need it. Something that these small cams have more trouble with. Finding a new one of these SX700 models can be difficult. The used versions, however, are cheaper. Just get one in very good shape and make sure it has a battery and charger at least. You may even consider an extra battery. Maybe a wrist strap would also work. Wanted software could possibly be downloaded from Canon's website. So let's talk about some of the uses for the camera. Three main uses: online selling of products, indoor or outdoor photography, and nice quality basic videography. The camera excels in photography and videography. Benefits: comes as a complete metal body, so quite durable. Nice big lens for compact camera, a 3-inch color LCD viewer screen, 16.1 megapixel image quality, 4x digital zoom with a 30x long optical zoom, 1080p high definition video capability, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, optical image stabilization, range of manual exposure controls. Smart Auto recognizes dozens of predefined situations. Shutter speed control is impressive. Slow motion movie recording option with a right hand grip. A few cons: need bigger pocket to fit inside, as it's slightly larger than the other small pocket cams. Need extra battery for all-day session. Not an action camera for very fast movement captures. The LCD is not touchscreen capable.